everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you get Trello's field ID. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser and type trello.com in the search bar and go straight towards your Trello's workspace. After coming on your Trello's workspace, you have to open your board. Now you are on your board. Now you have to tap on the three dots in the right of your screen and open up your menu. And after opening your menu, you will see more, tab on it and just scroll down, and in the end you'll find the option of print and export. Tab on export at ISON. It will take you to this page. As you can see, you have a lot of information in this page. So let's move forward, and in terms to move forward, you have to copy all this information. So just select all the information from top to the bottom. While I am doing it, just click on the left button of your mouse and copy it. Now you have to type JSON viewer in the next tab and open it. Just tap on the first website on your screen and open the website. After opening this website, you will see this interface. Now you have to paste all the information you have copied. Now tap on the paste option and your information is pasted here. Now so the next step is just scroll down and see the information is correct or not, and then you can see in the right of your screen all your information is pasted in a correct way, and you can see your field ID in the top of your right side. That's how you can get Trello's field ID. I hope you like it, and I hope this video will help you a lot in any way. By following these steps, you can get Trello's field ID. Thank you so much for watching it.